In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upsell with Payhip. If you're looking to boost your sales and make the most out of every customer visit, using Payhip's cross-selling tools can be a game changer. By strategically selecting complementary products and offering them at the right time, you can significantly increase your average order value and enhance your customers' shopping experience. Let's start by logging into your Payhip account, and once you're in, navigate to the Marketing tab. This is your go-to hub for promoting your products and engaging your customers in meaningful ways. Within the Marketing section, you'll want to locate and click on the Cross-Selling tab. This feature is designed to help you suggest additional items that complement the primary product your customer is already interested in. Once you've opened the Cross-Selling tab, it's time to add an upsell offer. Find the Add Cross-Sell button and click on it. This will allow you to start crafting a compelling offer that can entice your shoppers to purchase more. Now, let's configure your cross-sell. Begin by selecting a trigger product. This is the primary item that, when a customer adds it to their cart, will prompt your cross-sell offer. Essentially, it acts as the main attraction, drawing initial interest. Next, choose the products you want to promote alongside this trigger item. These additional products should be related or complementary, ensuring that they naturally pair well and offer added value to the purchase. To make your cross-sell even more enticing, consider setting a discount percentage for these promoted products. Everyone loves a deal, and a slight discount can be just the nudge a customer needs to decide that the added items are too good to pass up. For those selling digital and physical products, there's also an optional step to consider. You can enable a prominent pop-up. This pop-up will appear when your customer proceeds to checkout, placing your cross-sell offer front and center, increasing its visibility and allure. Finally, after configuring all these elements, remember to click Save to activate your new cross-selling offer. With this last step, your upsell is ready to go live. Your customers will now see these valuable suggestions front and center, and you can start enjoying the benefits of increased sales and satisfied shoppers. By using Payhip's cross-selling feature, you're not just boosting your bottom line. You're also creating a smoother, more engaging shopping experience for your customers. With the right setup, cross-selling can set your store apart and lead to higher customer satisfaction and retention. Happy selling, and may your revenue grow with each new upsell you create.